Hello, this problem is going to be a problem that I'm just going to think it through with you. I'm going to pretend like I don't know how to solve it. Just going to work it out like I would work it out if I was taking a test. It's not just time the problem, I have the right way to solve it. I'm just going to show you that. Okay, here's a problem. Find the perimeter of a right triangle whose hypotenuse is 2 and whose area is 1. Express your answer in simplest radical form. So the first thing I do, right triangle, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, now let's see what it tells us. It says the hypotenuse is 2, okay. So c squared is equal to 2 squared, which is equal to 4. Okay, just writing down what I know. Okay. It also says the area is 1. Okay, so the formula for area is bh over 2. That is equal to 1. Okay. Now, here's where you really need to know your stuff. You can say b squared, a squared plus b squared. And then here, let's change this to just ab. ab is equal to 2. So we could say, let's say we say this. We put all these together. And we say, hey, that looks pretty familiar to something. What is that something you might be asking? Well, it is a plus b quantity squared. I'm sure that you've seen it. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. It's very popular. So right now we have these three things. It seems pretty likely that we could do something with that. Okay, so we're just rolling. We see one thing after another. We're just pursuing it, just seeing where we can go with this problem. So I'm going to change, instead of ab equals 2, since the formula is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, I'm going to say 2ab just multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so now I have a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. You know, I'll write it in its normal form, so it's even easier to see. Now what's that equal to? So the 2ab is equal to 4, and then the a squared plus b squared is also equal to 4. So that's just equal to 8. Now, the question is the perimeter of the right triangle, okay? So the perimeter is going to be a plus b plus c. So if I just factor this out, I say a plus b quantity squared, which is the same thing as a plus b times a plus b. And so that is equal to 8. So that means that if I take the square root of this, then I can cancel all that stuff out, and I can take the square root of this. So a plus b is equal to the square root of 8. Now 8 can be factored into 4 and 2. So the square root of 4 is 2. So a plus b is 2 square root 2. Now all we need to do is add, since this is our formula for the perimeter, all we need to do is add the c, and it's given in the equation. So a plus b plus c is equal to 2 square root 2 plus 2. How many 2's are there? Wow, that's amazing. So you see in this problem, you can just take it one step at a time, try and it's like leapfrog, just one step at a time, just go forward and forward and forward until you really dig deep down and you get to the answer, essentially. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.